Hey, welcome to Chef's channel. Today I will prepare Turkish coffee for you. The oldest, simplest, fastest, cheapest and healthiest way to brew coffee is Turkish coffee. Okay, what we have here? I have our Turkish coffee. Let me show you. Here, yes, you are seeing. This is a very thin coffee, not like some other coffee we are using it. Very thin and good quality coffee. We will use dessert spoon and 1 dessert spoon coffee for each cup. I put 1. This is the second one I am getting. And the third one, because I am going to cook 3 cups of Turkish coffee. And my cezve, what we call is cezve, Turkish coffee cooking pot. And I will put 3 cups of water, good quality water, yes. You are measuring the same cup. Okay, this is the third one. Third cup of water, third dessert spoon coffee, and I prefer less sugar coffee, so I put 1 small brown sugar for 3 of coffee, not 1 each, 1 for 3, so it is very little sugar. Mix well, because we will just mix at the beginning and never touch again. Turkish coffee is important to drink with fluffy, thick fluffy on top of the coffee. So you're just mixing at the beginning and not touching after that till you are getting out of the oven. Fire, yes. Now I'm going to put this on a fire. Yeah, usually when I am in good mood, I prefer Turkish coffee. You know, when I need to work hard, long hours, I get my plain dark filter coffee. But for joyful times and conversation with friends, Turkish coffee is the best. Yes. Oh, never put a wet spoon on this coffee, because this is going to waste if you put any wet or something like this. Be careful for this. Some people believe that if you put a 1 cube sugar in it, it will help to save coffee, fresh coffee. Okay, I put my coffee pot on fire. I will make the heat less, medium to less, not so hot. Okay, one last time I am mixing right before, right starting here on the fire, and that's it. Okay, I will show you here around almost the similar timing I am cooking this. It will take around 4 or 5 minutes. Istanbul, where I was born, and the one of the main place for this coffee. Istanbul was introduced to coffee in 1543, and world's first coffee houses opened in Istanbul in 1554. So this coffee has history of around 500 years. Just as an example, after Istanbul, 142 years later, the first coffee house in New York opened in 1696. So Turkish coffee is the world's oldest coffee brewing method and a specific way of preparing coffee. You are watching your coffee because this is very important. When you forget a few minutes there, this is going, overflow and everywhere, and you're wasting your coffee. Because if no fluffiness, it is not That's tasteful for us. Just a few facts about Turkish coffee for you. Turkish coffee is the only coffee that can be boiled. Turkish coffee is healthiest as the grounds that settle at the bottom of the cup of are not drunk. Turkish coffee is the only coffee that can be used to predict the future. The use of coffee grounds to cast fortunes. And a few proverbs for you, because it's a huge place in Turkish culture, so we have a few proverbs belongs to coffee. Neither coffee nor the coffee house is the heart's behest. The heart seeks friendship. Coffee is a pretext. And we say other things. A cup of Turkish coffee carries 40 years of memories. That's what we believe if you drink your coffee with friends and family. Yes, our coffee is still cooking. It will take a few more minutes. It will not more than 5 minutes, I guess. That's something like this. It's a dark coffee, small coffee, so it's a tough, dark. That's what we like. If you like more sugar, you can add 1 cube sugar to each cup of your coffee. I don't know, maybe some people using 2 sugar, not sure, but it's 2 sugar, I guess for this little cup is too much, but 1 sugar maybe normal for some taste, but I prefer to use, less sugar, so I am putting 1 sugar whenever, whatever, if I am drinking 2 or 3 cup cooking, no matter, I am putting 1 sugar in it. Actually, for long years I was drinking this without sugar, but without sugar you are getting less fluffiness. So I am adding 1 sugar to have a little more fluffiness. As you see, it is coming together. We need those fluffiness on it. It is coming. This is the important part. You need to be careful at this point. Yeah. Just get out a little bit. Put a little bit, get out a little bit, yes. You can do this for 2-3 times and it is ready to put your cups and drink it. When you leave on the fire, it is, going overflow and you are losing the fluffiness. So don't leave there. Okay, this jazzy is not easy to put coffee. I don't know, not enough ergonomy has it, but I will try. Yes, you can put your fluffy part with your spoon if you like, before or after the putting coffee. This is the way of many people using this way because they don't want to lose those fluffiness. Yes. Form. Normal, I am putting this right on the sink, not wasting neither the foam or the coffee, but right now I did this to show you here. I don't know, some jazz beds are more ergonomic, so you are easily putting like this, but this jazz bed is just like this, the modern jazz bed. Yeah, let's taste it. We have the foam. We have the taste. Wonderful. Wonderfully wonderful. Our Turkish coffee is ready. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification for new videos. Bon appetit! Enjoy! is the afternoon coffee. You can serve it chocolate or Turkish delight, so it is more delicious like this. At morning hours, I prefer plain, but afternoon hours, especially with friends and conversations, would be a piece of chocolate or Turkish delight. Bon appetit, enjoy! Love is a beautiful thing. It comes with hurt. It comes with pain. But there's always sunshine after the rain. May your burdens be light and your coffee strong. Bye bye!